voice technique that will help you become more influential, command attention, engage people. And this is the power of a pause. A pause in your communication. When you're having a conversation with somebody, pause. And there's 7 secrets that make this so impactful and influential. And this is a technique that top communicators do naturally. And whether you like them or not, President Ronald Reagan, he would pause. Martin Luther King Jr., I have a dream. Clinton, even Obama, they would pause. And one of the secrets of why it's so influential and engaging, because if you're having people talk over you or not listen to you, or you get a sense of them not listening to you, it could be your voice. And so the pause, one secret why it's so influential and powerful is it creates anticipation. As I just slightly pause, just as I mentioned this, creates anticipation. And that creates engagement, wanting to hear what you're going to say. So that's just one reason, one secret why it's so effective. There are 6 more that I'm going to share with you.